Let's take a look at this example. This time we have second degree coefficient on the right side of my equal sign. Because this second degree coefficient is by itself on the right side, I'm going to take it and move to the left side. Okay, so I'm going to have negative x squared plus 4x plus 14 is equal 0. Next, keep in mind that anytime I do not have any visible digit over here, there is always invisible 1. So negative 1 is going to be my A. Positive 4 is B. And constant is C, which is 14. Next, write the quadratic formula. X is equal minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And I have minus 4. This negative comes from formula. 4 is from the equation, plus minus square root 4 squared, because b is 4, square comes from formula, minus 4 times a is equal negative 1, times c, which is equal 14, over 2 times a, 2 times negative 1 equals, I have x equals negative 4 plus minus, I have square root 16 negative times negative gives me positive, and I have 4 times 14 is equal 56 over negative 2 equals negative 4 plus minus square root of 16 plus 56 is equal 72 over negative 2. Okay, so please notice that discriminant, right, is greater than 0. It means that I'm going to have two solutions. You can rewrite this as negative 4 plus minus, and I can write that this is square root of 36 times 2 over negative 2. This is equal x equals negative 4 plus minus square root of 36 is equal 6 square root of 2 over negative 2. Next, please notice that we have negative sign in the denominator, and we have also negative signs in the numerator. So what we are going to do? We are going to factorize negative 2, because 4 is divisible by 2 and 6 is divisible by 2, and so this is the common factor for these two terms. And also we have negatives, that's why I'm going to factorize negative 2 from the numerator, and I'm going to have 2, and if I factorize negative sign, this positive becomes negative and negative becomes positive, and I have 3 square root of 2 over negative 2. Negative 2 and negative 2 will cancel out, and I have x equals 2 minus 3 square root of 2. This is my first answer. Or I have x equals 2 plus 3 square root of 2. And I can say that these are the solutions to my problem.